Hello there. Halloween is now behind us, but let's set our sights on next year's Halloween party menu with a unique addition. While today's recipe has nothing to do with vampires, we are taking a flavorful journey into the realm of Chinese cuisine to explore a delightful delicacy known as pork blood tofu. There are various ways to enjoy blood tofu, and the recipe I'm sharing with you today is a quick and simple homemade version that can be prepared in under 5 minutes, provided you have the right ingredients on hand. To begin, you will need some cooked pork blood, which you can typically find in Chinese or Oriental grocery stores. If you've got your hands on some, be sure to use it fresh. Gently cut it into 1 centimeter dices. Next, take a block of silken tofu and cut it into similar 1 centimeter dices. In a heated wok or pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, around 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, about 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of green onion rings. Stir fry until their fragrance fills the air. Then add 2 teaspoons of dried red chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Now it's time to introduce the tofu and pork blood back into the mix. Gently combine the ingredients. One teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cooking wine, and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Give it a few gentle stirs. Pour in half a cup of water. Cover the wok and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. After that, gently shuffle and shake the tofu. Now it's time to thicken the sauce with a starch liquid, which is made by mixing 1 teaspoon of starch with 2 tablespoons of water. Once the sauce gets thick, the dish is ready. Transfer it to a plate and you can garnish it with some green onion or garlic greens. Now you're ready to enjoy these wonderful flavors of this dish. Both the pork blood and tofu are packed with deliciousness. Don't be afraid to give it a try. I truly hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you do, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more delightful recipes. Until next time, remember to eat healthy and keep on cooking.